Premier League clubs have agreed to ban gambling companies from sponsorship of the front of their shirts from the start of the 2025-26 season. The clubs have taken a voluntary decision to reduce the prominence of gambling advertising. There are currently 8.
So basically, what's happening in the UK is that several clubs, teams, they basically agree to withdraw gambling sponsorships on the front of the shirts. Only we're talking about like 2, 3 years from now, and basically what they're doing is they trying to reduce advertisements for gambling companies. Now, if you don't know how it works in the UK, if you're trying to place a bet in the UK, you have to use a debit card if you're going to a betting shop. You cannot use a credit card, but online betting allows you to use a credit card. Now, many credit card companies in the UK already blocked the option to bet using a credit card directly, but there's many ways to transfer money from your credit card and use it for gambling purposes. And there's always ways to circumvent the system. And basically, what the main point of this video is to express our opinion about this. If we take the website 888sport.com, you can see that back in 2021, almost about 2 years ago, the organic traffic they had was 42,000, and now they have less than 20,000. So basically, we see that the website is not really doing so well. They have a lot of traffic from the UK, but it's going down. And this is probably explained by the growth of crypto websites. In our opinion, the use of crypto gambling websites is better because with crypto, you cannot use credit. You have to send crypto that you actually own. Um, and basically, when you do that, you not only not using credit, you use money that you can actually afford to have. Now, yes, you can always use your credit with your bank, with your credit card, with whatever, and buy crypto with it, but it comes with fees. Normally, it's not instant all the times. You might find instant buyers, sellers on several exchanges if you're from the UK or from some other countries, but it does involve fees. It does involve some more uh, let's say bureaucracy or several additional steps. And crypto gambling websites also bring a lot of value to their users, just like we showed in videos in our sites. The many websites in the UK, they produce a lot less value to the users who use them. And yes, we think, I mean, overall, maybe those clubs are not going to promote the websites like Stake, for instance, like Everton is doing now with Stake. It's only on the front of the shirt. They can still have it on the sleeves, so that's one thing. And it's only from about 2, 3 years from now, so many things could change by then. Why are they not doing it next year, for instance, if they're really worried about it? So you can see there's always some um, internal agendas behind it. So our opinion is that overall, yes, it could be a good step. UK gambling websites, by nature, we expect them to lose more value and lose traffic, especially where there are going to be more restrictions set by the government, and maybe more betting shops will close, just like William Hill has been doing in the past few months, years, you can say. Um, we're not expecting the industry to fall or collapse by all means. No, I mean these guys, they know what they're doing, and they still have a lot of customers. And for many customers who haven't adopted crypto, they're still going to use those main websites. But hopefully, the crypto is going to allow people to move towards better systems, because when you use money you can afford to lose, when you use money that you have or possess, in our opinion, that's the best thing to do, because you should not gamble with something you don't have. Of course, there's always some ways around it. So that's our opinion. And once again, thanks for watching. And feel free to let us know what you think. What's your opinion about this move? See you on the next one. Bye for now.